Having a buzzing noise or consistent sound coming from your refrigerator can become a pain.
In most cases it can be remedied or fixed with a little patience.
Amana refrigerator's buzzing noise is becoming a popular complaint.
The sound starts off low and then steadily increases over time.
Some report the sound is a loud and disturbing sound heard throughout the house. It can be fixed easily and without calling a repairman.
To get started, you will need to unplug the unit. Recruit the help of a friend if the refrigerator is too heavy to move.
Your Amana refrigerator buzzing noise may be coming from the condenser coils located on the back of the unit.
Condenser coils is the refrigerator's heating supply.
When dust or dirt collects on the coils, it may cause the refrigerator to buzz or send a humming noise.
Simply moving a dry cloth over the coils will release trapped dirt, and may also reduce the buzzing noise coming from the unit.
You can also use warm soapy water if the dirt buildup is difficult to remove.
If the sound has reduced but not completely cleared away, you may need to clean the refrigerator's grill.
The grill may be the cause of the Amana refrigerator buzzing noise.
The grill is located in the front lower portion of the refrigerator.
You can dust it until the dirt and or dust is no longer trapped. This should ease up the sound or completely clear it.
The air may have been blocked due to debris. If the sound is persistent, you may need to replace the evaporator fan.
This will eliminate the buzzing noise altogether.
You will need to order a new evaporator fan, and find its location in the user manual to properly install it.
When you order the part, be sure to have the refrigerator model number available.
Always try to do it yourself before calling a repairman, because you may find a simple solution to your problem.
Having a service guy come out can be a very costly experience, especially when it was for something minor.